The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a remarkable addition to Canon's APS-C mirrorless camera lineup. Building upon the success of its predecessor, this camera promises to combine speed, precision, and versatility in a compact form. It is expected to appeal to a wide range of photographers and videographers, from wildlife and sports shooters to everyday content creators, thanks to its anticipated features and enhancements. In this review, we'll take a detailed look at what the Canon EOS R7 Mark II has to offer, from its design and build quality to its sensor performance, autofocus capabilities, video features, and overall usability. The design and build quality of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II are expected to remain largely similar to the previous model, maintaining the compact and rugged form that made the original R7 so popular. However, it's clear that Canon has refined the design for improved ergonomics and professional usability. The camera is rumored to feature a redesigned grip, which will be deeper and more contoured for better comfort during long shooting sessions. This subtle yet significant change could make a big difference, especially for photographers who spend extended periods of time shooting. In addition to the improved grip, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to offer enhanced weather sealing, bringing it closer to the protection found in Canon's higher-end models like the R5 and R6. This would make the camera more resistant to dust and moisture, giving it the durability needed for outdoor and challenging shooting environments. A more tactile joystick and upgraded command dials could also be part of the package, providing better control in fast-paced shooting scenarios. The addition of a top LCD panel, although still unconfirmed, would be a welcome feature for many photographers, as it would echo the design found in Canon's professional DSLR models, offering quick access to important settings without having to look through the viewfinder. Canon is reportedly developing a new APS-C Staximo sensor for the EOS R7 Mark II, with a resolution of around 32 to 35 megapixels, a modest increase over the original model's 32.5 MP sensor. This bump in resolution is expected to offer more detailed images, while the BSI sensor architecture will enhance the camera's light-gathering abilities. This change should reduce noise and improve dynamic range, particularly in low-light conditions, making it an excellent option for photographers who often shoot in challenging lighting environments. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II will also likely feature the Digic X processor or a new generation of processing power. This upgrade will bring faster readout speeds, which should help improve performance when capturing complex scenes with high contrast. The combination of the new sensor and processing power is expected to deliver richer tones, better highlight retention, and cleaner high ISO performance. This makes the R7 Mark II a more viable option for professional work, especially in situations where lighting conditions are far from ideal. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is its autofocus system. The camera will reportedly feature Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, which has been enhanced with the latest tracking algorithms borrowed from the EOS R3 and R5 Mark II. This means the R7 Mark II will offer improved eye, face, animal, and vehicle tracking, even in fast-moving or low-contrast scenarios. For wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and other photographers who rely on split-second focus accuracy, this is a game-changing feature that brings the autofocus performance previously reserved for full-frame cameras into a more compact crop sensor body. In addition to these upgrades, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to include expanded autofocus zones, which would provide more coverage across the frame. There's also speculation about the inclusion of AI-assisted scene recognition, which would allow the camera to intelligently switch focus between subjects or prioritize focus based on compositional context. This feature could be especially useful for those shooting fast-moving subjects in unpredictable environments, where quick and accurate focus adjustments are critical. The video capabilities of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II are another area where the camera is expected to shine. The original R7 already offered strong video performance, but the Mark II is rumored to take it even further with 6K 60p internal recording using the full sensor width. This would allow for incredibly high-quality video capture with exceptional detail. Additionally, the camera is expected to offer 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth in Canon Log 3, which will provide greater flexibility for color grading in post-production. For creators who need high frame rates, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is speculated to offer 4K 120p recording without significant cropping, which would make it an appealing option for slow-motion video enthusiasts. The camera's improved heat management system, combined with dual UHS-2 card slots, should also make it better suited for long-form video shoots, such as those required by YouTubers, documentarians, and hybrid creators who need reliable performance over extended periods. The inclusion of enhanced audio preamps and a more intuitive menu system will also help streamline video production, making it easier for solo shooters to monitor and control their audio levels, as well as manage waveforms for more precise sound recording. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to feature significant improvements in its in-body image stabilization system, with rumors suggesting that it could offer up to 8 stops of compensation when paired with compatible RF lenses. The original R7's IBIS system was already one of the best in its class, but the new enhancements will make handheld shooting, both for stills and video, even more effective. For photographers and videographers who work in unstable environments or shoot handheld, this improvement will be a welcome feature. The camera is also expected to include a more intelligent coordination system, which will provide better performance when panning, shooting with telephoto lenses, or tracking moving subjects. This could be particularly beneficial for travel and field photographers who need a lightweight camera that can still deliver exceptional results without the need for bulky tripods or stabilization rigs. Canon is known for listening to user feedback and continuously refining its camera controls with each new release. The EOS R7 Mark II will likely include more customizable buttons, an upgraded quick control dial, and a revamped menu interface that takes inspiration from Canon's Pro Line R5 and C70 cinema systems. This should make it easier for users to navigate the camera and access the settings they need quickly, especially in fast-paced shooting situations. In addition, the fully articulating touchscreen will remain, but with improved brightness and touch responsiveness, making it easier to shoot from various angles and monitor footage in bright conditions. For photographers and videographers who need more versatility, Canon is rumored to add a digital teleconverter or pixel shift mode, which would allow users to extract even more resolution from the APS-C format, giving them greater flexibility in post-production. For hybrid shooters and professionals, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to offer an impressive suite of connectivity options. The camera will likely support Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C 3.2 for fast file transfers and remote shooting. This would make it easier for photographers and videographers to integrate the camera into their workflows, whether for studio work, remote shooting, or quick sharing of images and videos. Tethering support is expected to be enhanced, making the R7 Mark II an excellent option for studio photographers who need a reliable connection to their computers for tethered shooting. Additionally, the Canon Camera Connect app will likely see improvements, offering better live view functionality and remote control features, which would be beneficial for photographers who want to control the camera from a distance. Dual SD card slots are expected to remain standard, providing a redundant file structure that enhances workflow flexibility and security. This feature is especially useful for both photographers and videographers who require a reliable system for backing up their work during shoots. If the current rumors are accurate, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is poised to be a significant step forward for Canon's APS-C mirrorless lineup. With a higher resolution BSI sensor, improved autofocus capabilities, enhanced video features, and more effective stabilization, the R7 Mark II will likely improve upon every key aspect of its predecessor while maintaining the agility and affordability that made the original R7 so popular. For wildlife and sports photographers, the EOS R7 Mark II could serve as a compact, high-speed alternative to Canon's more expensive R5 or R3. For content creators and hybrid shooters, it brings professional-level video specs to a smaller, more portable body. And for traditional photographers, Canon's thoughtful refinements in ergonomics, interface, and build quality could make the R7 Mark II a versatile all-around workhorse. While official specs and pricing have yet to be confirmed, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is already shaping up to be a standout camera in Canon's APS-C lineup, one that balances performance, portability, and professional capabilities in a way that only Canon can achieve. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or hybrid creator, this camera is expected to deliver exceptional results across a wide range of use cases, making it a top contender in 2025.